How are you? Okay, so my name is Saira and I'll be your teacher for today, okay? May I know why have you joined White Hat Junior? That you will? Okay, so you know what? Okay, so here at White Hat we'll be doing coding, okay? So, why do you think anyone would want to code? Okay, so let me tell you. Have you seen any Apple iPhone? Okay, you might have heard about Siri and Microsoft Cortana. There are many more. Okay, so what do they do? When we ask them any queries, they answer us. They react in a way like they are our friends. Okay, so how do they know everything what we want to know? Okay, they hear us. So do you think computer have any mind of their own? So in computer, yeah, computer is just a machine. They don't have any mind. So what we do, we give our natural intelligence. We have a natural intelligence, we have a brain. So we give our intelligence to the computer. Okay, and it becomes artificial intelligence. When we give our natural intelligence to a computer, it becomes artificial intelligence. Okay, so how do we give our intelligence to a machine? We give instructions. So what do we call our instructions? Set of instructions. They represent a code. This is called artificial intelligence. We give our intelligence to a computer. Okay, so now we will see, like when we work in an office, we work around many employees. So like you know Siri, okay, artificial intelligence. So I have to code it so that it may reply anyone. Okay, so we are talking in English, alright? So I cannot tell Siri English coding because it will not understand. A computer doesn't understand English. Okay, so how we'll make it understand? We have different computer languages, just like English and Hindi. Okay, are you getting me? Okay, so we'll code with computer in their language. What is their language? Do you know any computer language? Okay, you haven't heard. I will tell you. There are multiple programming languages such as C, C++, JavaScript. Okay, and today we are gonna use JavaScript and code. You know how important it is to code because we have to build apps. Coding. You told me we give instructions to a computer. Those instructions, when we write those instructions, they are called as code. So easy. Okay. Are you getting my point? Okay. So today what we are going to do is we are going to start, means that coding is very hard. Okay. So we have to start with the basic things. We have to learn step by step coding so that in the future when we are programmers, we may build robots and artificial intelligence. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. So in the starting we will learn basics of coding. Okay. And the programming language we'll be using is JavaScript. Okay. Okay. So before that, to tell you how powerful JavaScript is, I'll show you some tricks. Okay. And then we'll move further to coding. Okay. Let me just share my screen with you. And let me tell you how you will go to the full screen. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the bottom left orange buttons, reconnect session and the full screen buttons. So when I ask you to be on full screen, just click on the full screen orange button. Okay, so when we give instructions, suppose I tell you to do something, okay, so you will do it quickly. But when I tell a computer to do something, I'll tell you the difference. Let us do a quick example, okay? You just tell me to drink water as a human being, okay? Okay. What? Okay. So I'm a human being. So just ask me to drink water. This is my water bottle, okay? Okay. So here I took the bottle and drank water and closed the lid. This was my intelligence, okay? Now suppose I am a robot, okay? So again give me the same instructions. You saw what happened? The water just, I couldn't make it inside of my mouth. It spilled. Okay. Why it happened? Because a computer has intelligence which we give it. Okay. So we have to be very precise of what we are telling it. Okay. If you were very intelligent, you told me to just go this way, okay? If you haven't told me that, and if you just told me drink water, then the robot would not be able to drink water, because it doesn't know that it have to pick the bottle and drink it, okay? So it becomes very difficult if you say like this, drink water, okay? So you have to be very precise with computers, very precise, then only the computer can understand you. Okay. Okay. I am just sharing my screen with you, and you will just see that. Okay. So just tell me, anyone at your home, does they shop online shopping? Do they do that? Okay. So we all do shopping online. Okay. So, can you name some of the online shopping websites? Okay. So, we just head towards any online shopping site or any site, you can say. Okay. For your convenience, I am just going to the Amazon site. So, do you like video games? Okay, so let us just search what is the price of the Xbox. Okay, we just search it up. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, see, it is written $445. Okay, so I want it to be for 0 rupees. Okay, I don't want to pay anything for it. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, let me. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just make it look affordable. Okay. So let me show you a trick. What we have to do, we have to right click. Okay, and go to this inspect button. Okay. Okay. What it will do, it will open a console. Okay. And you can see all the elements this side are shown in this elements tab here. All the elements are here, and here we have a console. We'll open that and just come to the bottom, and we'll write just one line of code, and you'll see how powerful JavaScript is. Okay. Okay, just see the code very carefully. I am writing JavaScript, okay, and put a colon. Now write document. Document is this whole this hole. See, when I wrote document, this screen got blue. Did you notice that? See this. So this hole is a document. Okay. Now we'll put document dot body. Okay. This is the whole body. Okay. Now we'll put a dot and we'll write content editable. Okay. See, the autocomplete is showing us this. We'll just click on it and we'll write equals to true. Now let me tell you about all this. See, content editable means we can edit the contents or not. It can be either true or false. Okay. By default it is set to be false so that nobody can change the contents. Okay. So I am making it true just to change the price of this item, and I am putting a semicolon to end this line. Okay. Now we'll put enter. See, it started showing true. Okay. Now I will close this console, and now you will see amazing thing. Okay. Just see this. I am just deleting its price and changing it to 0. How is that? Okay. So another thing I will show you. I am just clicking Ctrl plus A. I am selecting the whole of the page. Okay. And I am pressing delete. Okay. See, there is nothing on the page. Amazon is gone. Amazon is gone. So what do you think? I have deleted Amazon.com. What do you think? Yes, very good. So you see, I have deleted from my front end. Okay. Amazon is not deleted. It's still there. You can access it from anywhere, even from this laptop again. Just refresh the page and Amazon will come back. Okay. See. And the price is also there. So it's just for us. We can do it, edit and do anything, but the server, Amazon server will not change. Okay. Just a trick for us. Okay, let's come back to this. So, do you like that? Very good.